Newsletter, Al-Mawrid US, June 2025 edition. Book launch event at the Ghamidi Center. In May 2025, the Ghamidi Center in Dallas, USA hosted a book launch event featuring recent publications under its banner. Among the authors present was Syed Manzoor Ul-Hasan, while Dr. Irfan Shahzad and Mr. Hamza Ali Abbasi participated virtually and shared their reflections. The new releases include 2 books by Manzoor Ul-Hasan, Halal and Haram, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's Perspective, and Singing and Music, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's Perspective, as well as Dr. Irfan Shahzad's Women's Veil, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's Perspective. Additionally, My Journey, In Search of God, Islam, and the Hereafter, by Hamza Ali Abbasi, an Urdu translation of his English work, was also launched. 4 previously published Urdu books by Manzoor Ul-Hasan were translated into English and released under the titles, The Descent of Jesus, Night Journey and Ascension, The Splitting of the Moon, and Thoughts of Ghamidi. These books will now be available at Al-Mawrid centers worldwide. Religion and the Challenges of Modernity. Last month, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi gave an interview to renowned motivational speaker and podcaster Hafiz Ahmed, discussing the challenges religion faces in the modern era. He also addressed key topics such as hadith, jihad, and interest-based finance. The interview is available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Voice of Research Seminar Series. Continuing the Voice of Research Seminar Series, 2 online seminars were held in May 2025, The Crisis of the Muslim World and Its Solution, and The Importance of the Human Heart. In the first session, Dr. Gitrif Shahbaz Nadwi reflected on the current situation in Gaza and broader issues facing Muslims globally. In the second, Dr. Sahar Hafiz explored the significance of the human heart from both Quran and medical perspectives. The seminars, conducted on Zoom, are interactive and open to live participation. Islam and the State, a Review of Objections. The ongoing video series addressing 23 common objections focused on the theme of Islam and the State last month. Discussions centered on criticisms of Ghamidi's views on the topic. He also clarified the linguistic and technical meaning of Iqamat al-Din and critiqued Maulana Maududi's interpretation. The recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. The use of artificial intelligence in authorship. In a recent article, Syed Manzoor Ul-Hasan examined the use of AI tools like ChatGPT in academic writing. He emphasized that while such tools can serve as valuable aids for experienced writers, if acknowledged, they are not recommended for novices who should develop their own creative skills. He also outlined guidelines for the use of AI in Al-Mawrid America's publications. The article appeared in the May 2025 issue of Islamic US. Weekly Quran and Hadith Sessions. During May 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi continued his live Quran and Hadith lectures. He covered verses 86 to 128 of Surah Taha in the Quran sessions and discussed narrations that detail acts contrary to faith and Islam in the Hadith sessions. All sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Deep Insights from Life Podcast. In a recent podcast titled Deep Insights from Life, hosted by Hafiz Ahmed, Hassan Elias answered philosophical, personal, and social questions. He shared how Maulana Tariq Jamil's message was instrumental in drawing him toward religion and reflected on their intellectual relationship. The podcast is available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Ask Ghamidi, monthly question and answer session. This live online question and answer session allows participants to pose religious and ethical questions directly to Ghamidi. In May 2025, some of the questions addressed were, what is the true essence of God? Is calling the black stone the hand of God? Shirk, was the Gospel of Barnabas authored by Muslims? And, what is Islam's stance on feminism? Recordings of the session are available on YouTube. Question and answer session with Al-Mawrid Australia. Last month, Muhammad Hassan Elias, Director of Research and Communication at the Ghamidi Center, held a question and answer session with members of Al-Mawrid Australia. Questions included, what is Islam's view on dealing with non-Muslims? what reforms are needed in Friday sermons, and is prayer derived from hadith? The recording of the session is available on YouTube channel of GCIL. Sunday School Enrollment. The Ghamidi Center's Sunday School, now in its 9th year, aims to instill foundational Islamic values in students through the Quran and Sunnah. The faculty consists of college and university students inspired by Al-Mawrid's mission. The school operates under the supervision of Farhan Saeed and Atif Sajid through the Al-Mawrid US Education Committee. Enrollment for new students begins in July 2025. Does oppression necessitate jihad? In his article, Hassan Elias discusses the conditions under which jihad becomes obligatory. While oppression is a fundamental justification, he emphasizes that adequate resources, leadership, and collective authority are prerequisites. He argues that individual or group declarations of jihad are impermissible and harmful. This piece appeared in Islamic US, May 2025. Itmam al-Hujjah dubbed in English. The Ghamidi Center has begun dubbing Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's video lectures into English using AI technology. In May, the episode on Itmam al-Hujjah from the 23 Objections series was released on the center's YouTube channel. Tafhim al-Athar series. In May 2025, topics discussed under the ongoing Tafhim al-Athar series included combat against the Khawarij, the kingdom of the Banu Ismail, make the Quran your guide, disciplining children for misreading the Quran, and actions against the Byzantine and Persian empires. Recordings are available on YouTube. Ask Hassan Elias on Muslim Today. Hassan Elias has launched a question and answer program titled Ask Hassan Elias on the YouTube channel Muslim Today. Topics discussed in May included: do jinns truly exist? What is Ghamidi's stance on hadith? Is Noah's age of 950 scientifically plausible? And how should one respond to those who insult the companions based on narrations? The recordings are accessible online. Online spiritual retreats. The Ghamidi Center continues its online spiritual training sessions led by Mu'izz Amjad, focusing on self-discipline and moral reform. Recent discussions included: when is it appropriate to cut off ties with others? What does forgiveness mean? The difference between ego and self-worth, and what does the Creator expect from humanity? These are available on YouTube. Islam Study Circle with Dr. Shehzad Salim. Held monthly, this English language session by Dr. Shehzad Salim explores religious, moral, and social topics in 3 segments: explanation of selected Quranic verses, discussion on prophetic hadiths, and analysis of a Bible excerpt. May's session covered unexpected events, purification, and the eye as the lamp of the body, followed by audience question and answer. Life in prison, Maulana Islahi's example. The latest episode of Hayati Amin detailed Maulana Amin Ahsan Islahi's scholarly pursuits and routine during his imprisonment. As noted by Naeem Baluch, Islahi continued teaching, writing, and corresponding with family, exemplifying intellectual maturity and spiritual resolve. The article appears in Islamic America, May 2025. Lectures on Understanding the Sunnah and Understanding Hadith. As part of the Meezan lecture series, Dr. Shehzad Salim delivered English language lectures on the foundational principles of understanding the Sunnah and Hadith, based on Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's book Meezan. These are available on YouTube. Ilmo Hikmat, with Ghamidi Weekly Program. In May 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's weekly program on Dunya News covered the conflict between religious and political leadership, Quran and science, and purification of the soul without mysticism. Key questions discussed included: how can one overcome laziness in religious practice? Do Quran and science share the same epistemological foundations? And what should be done in case of conflict between religion and science? Online private consultations with Dr. Shehzad Salim. Dr. Salim continues to offer online private consultation sessions each month, guiding individuals on personal and family issues. Over 25 such sessions were held last month, addressing challenges faced by parents and youth. Are Hawar a distinct creation? In his article, Muhammad Hassan Elias challenges the traditional view of Hawar as a supernatural species. He explains, based on the Quran, that Hawar refers to righteous women of paradise who are recreated with purity and grace. This interpretation emphasizes harmony rather than exoticism. The article can be accessed in May issue of Ishraq America. English summaries of the 23 Objections series. Dr. Shezad Salim continues to summarize each topic from the 23 Objections video series in English. Last month, he discussed the topic of capital punishment. These summaries are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Ask Dr. Shezad Salim, monthly question and answer. Dr. Salim hosts a monthly live question and answer session, addressing theological, ethical, and social questions in both English and Urdu. The recordings are accessible via the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Issuance of fatwas on legal matters. Responding to frequent inquiries on issues like marriage, divorce, and inheritance, the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, USA, issued several fatwas last month. These were formulated by Hassan Elias based on Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's framework. Teaching of Al-Bayan in English. Dr. Shezad Salim is translating and teaching Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's Quranic exegesis Al-Bayan in English. In May 2025, he covered verses 12 to 67 of Surah Al-Ma'idah. These sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel.